Because he loves waffles, I guess. Choo 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 choo. He doesn't even care that we're here. Be really quiet.
Hey, there's a fisher cat eating your waffles, so be quiet.
I just walked by a fisher cat.
He's right here.
He shouldn't be out during the day.
Yeah, they're out.
My waffles.
He doesn't even care that we're here. He knows we're here.
He just heard me come in the porch.
Yeah. So it kind of concerns me that he might come up to the kids.
Should we call that in that we see one? Shh.
You should definitely stop throwing waffles out into the backyard.
Not me so. What you looking at, fool?